Let me ask you a question which can change the way you work. If you only had 2 hours in a day to work on your goal, what would you do? I love this question because it helps me to prioritize what actually is important. For example, if your goal is to score more, to score good, and you only have 2 hours to work on your goal, you won't say that I'll highlight the stuffs and I'll make pretty colorful notes out of it. Instead, you would say that I'll solve previous year questions and I'll pay heed upon the topics which are most important from the exam point of view. I'll try to snatch more marks in less time. Because when you have limited time, you actually realize what is important and where you are not supposed to give your time on the stuffs which aren't important. I have been a big procrastinator during my school days. I barely used to study throughout the year, but I ended up getting highest marks in my class. I did well because I realized that everything which is being taught in the class and everything that is there in the book is not going to give me marks. I solved previous year questions. I figured out the important topics first. I covered them first because they don't check something different every year. What they tested this year, they tested same last year as well. It's just that they phrased it slight differently. That's all I do last months before the exam, and diagrams and flowcharts are the keys to impress whosoever checks your paper. You can apply this to anything. Complete your work in your college or school itself, or when you come back home, complete your work within 1 to 2 hours of deep work so that you have time to give up on your physical health. Like you can go for running, you can do gymming, you can involve yourself in some sports, you can go for walk so that your attention span and focus improves like anything. Most of the students who don't do well have really messed up attention span. So, to improve that, do things which actually matter and cut off the rest. Like, stop playing video games, avoid social media, avoid watching TV and movies so that you get a whole lot of time and freed mental space. The issue is people don't actually get the meaning of being productive. They think that sitting for 16 hours a day is being productive. Productivity means doing something for our future self. Like sleeping is also being productive. Socializing with people is also being productive. For example, when last month I used to sleep for an hour or two, it affected my ability to retain like anything. It affected my memory. My legs used to shiver. I used to feel weak. So, sleep also has an utmost importance in our life. It's not about who can sit for 16 hours and study, it's about who can bring best grades through studying the least. That's the person who wins, that's the person who isn't depressed, that's the person who completes their work so soon that they get time to do other stuffs too. They get time to bring out the best versions out of themselves. Prioritize the things which actually matter and cut out the rest. This way, you can save hours from your time and you'll do less but accomplish more. Start taking actions.